Performs hand hygiene before putting on mask. Make sure the metallic strip is facing upwards. Tie the upper strings at the top of the head with a butterfly knot. Tie the lower strings at the back of the neck. Fix the metallic strip securely over the nose, mouth, and is stretched gently over the chin and fit snugly over the face. Do not hang the mask beneath the chin area. Change mask every 4 hours or if it becomes moist or damaged. Instead of touching the mask, carefully loosen the tie starting from lower strings to upper strings without touching the front of the mask. Discard the mask in the waste container. Performs hand hygiene after removal of mask.